So you have a place that you're going to work in your house. Now you need some tools. And for printed photos, you'll want some either cotton or nitrile gloves so that the oils on your fingers don't get on the photos and damage them, especially the older photos. You need some boxes, and these can be shoeboxes, things that you already have in your house. This is an archival photo-safe box that I use sort of in the finished product. And eventually you will need things that are photo-safe, archival, that have passed the Photographic Activity Test. But for now, to get things organized, you don't necessarily need it. You will want some index cards or something to write on so that you can, as you're organizing things. And one of the things that I like to use is a Stabilo pencil. And I will put this list in the comments. And don't forget your digital. You'll need an external hard drive. So having your tools that you're going to be using to process and cull down your collection and get it so that you can use it. If you have questions, ask them in the comments below, and let's get started.